don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey, what is up, guys? It is your boy Cuda's Diecast Customs. And today is finally the day of our 50 subscribers point. Look at that. 50 subscribers, finally made a milestone. It's not a big one, I know, but it's a start. And with that, as I promised, we are going to be giving away a car. So first, let's go over to the video. That was this video right here. If you commented in this video, you had a chance to win one of the 3 cars. So first, let's copy the URL. Go over to our YouTube comment find selector. Oh, right there. Go back on this. And then we're going to start the raffle. Oh wait, you have the first YouTube comments. Whoops. And then you put, there was 23 people able to get this. Let's see who wins. All right, Matchbox Mark. You have won one of the cars, and your choices will be at the end of the video in my description on my channel. Right. Where is it? On my about section. My email address is able to access that. So, Matchbox Mark, please email me. Thank you, guys. Next giveaway will be at 100 subscribers. Wait a minute. We just gained one more subscriber in this video. That is sweet. All right, guys. Till next time.